Hey there, Farmer Marshall here. I got a real quick video for you on how I plant my brassicas. Now that covers collard greens, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. And actually, this is actually how I plant most of my leafy greens for the fall. This year, I plan to do seeds, nothing but seeds. But life got in the way. So I'm still planning on doing seeds, but just so I get a little earlier harvest, I'm going to actually use starts. Now, I'm doing a seed video too later. And this is my general process for doing starch. Obviously, I've already dug up my holes, mixed in some cow manure. And the next step, and I think this is probably one of the most crucial steps. Once I'm about to actually plant it in the hole, I kind of dig out that spot for it, loosen up the dirt a little bit more, and I take my start and I kind of mess with the roots some. Kind of get them loosened up. You're not going to damage the plant, but I think this will help encourage the roots to spread out a little quicker. So now that I have it in the hole, and even though I mentioned that I did put in cow manure, I also do fish fertilizer, which is great for the plants. I already got it mixed in here. So instead of covering the hole and then pouring the fish fertilizer on top of the hole, I actually pour it directly into the root ball. Because when you cover the hole and you start pouring that fertilizer on there, you notice fertilizer is going there on the plant, but it's also going all around. I'm trying to be cheap. I'll be honest with you, I'm just trying to be cheap and trying to make sure that my fertilizer goes mainly focused on the plant instead of going all rolling down the hill of the plant. So at that point, all I'm doing is planting it. Now you might think that that was too much fertilizer, because I already told you I use cow manure. The cow manure is slow release. This here, it goes right to work. It's going to be absorbed by the roots, just like if you had a plant that was looking a little down and put some water on it, look back at it a few hours later and it's perked up because it's absorbed the water. Well, this plant is going to absorb the water and fish fertilizer like that. So give that a shot and see how that helps you out. So I have to go plant the rest of these and then get to my seeds. Let's get out there and get a little dirty.